All right, here I am. I'm on the green. There's my ball, and the hole's over here. First thing I want to know, how far is this putt? So I pace it off, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It's a 30-footer. But what's the land doing between me and the hole? So like any good engineer would do, I made a cross section. So my cross section, I call it AA, and it cuts through the green over here. And if I look at that cross section, I find that the first portion is a downhill putt, the second portion is a level putt, and the last portion is an uphill putt. And they're all about the same length, each one of the sections. So I got 10 feet of downhill, 10 feet of level, and 10 feet of uphill. So if you've been following my series, you know that I control power on a putt by controlling the distance of the backswing I take. So, for example, if I've got a level playing surface and I use a putting stroke that's 10 inches in length, I know that that ball on the level surface is going to roll 15 feet. It also happens that if it's an uphill putt, 10 inches of stroke will let the ball roll 10 feet. And if it happens to be a downhill putt, 10 inches of putt makes the ball roll 20 feet. So for me, my 10-inch swing, if it's an uphill putt, it'll roll 10 feet. If it's on a level surface, it'll roll 15 feet. And if it's on just like a normally downhill, my 10-inch swing is going to produce 20 feet of roll. So I take a look at that 30-foot putt that I had. 10 feet of it's downhill, 10 feet of it's level, 10 feet of it's uphill. And I find that by simple mathematics, for the first 10 feet going down, I only need 5 inches of stroke because it's downhill. For the level part, it's only 10 feet long, so I need 7 inches of putt for that. And then the uphill portion, my 10-inch swing produces 10 feet of putt. So that's 10 inches of putt. Adding it all up, for this 30-foot putt, I've got 5, 7, 10 for 22 inches. So simply in my mind, I know 22 inches of power is going to deliver me the 30 feet. The only thing I need to worry about is the line.